Hey, good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, someday in September. I don't know what day it is, but today I'm going to talk about the Opus Mega 1. Just got this in the mail the other day. Checking it out. By the way, hope everybody's having a great week. Hope everybody is safe, healthy, and happy, and all your friends and family with you. The Opus Mega 1. Let's see if I can move this up a little bit. Let me adjust this camera just a little bit. Maybe a little better. All right, so the Opus Mega 1, first of all, if you go to their website, normally it's priced at $6.99. They have an opening deal still open, I think, until October 1st for it to go to $4.99. And you can also buy another $50 coupon off for $1 on their website. So check that out. So you can get it for $4.50. $4.49, something like that. So what this is, Opus Mega 1 outdoor power station. And the specs, the AC output, a rated power of 2,000 watts, peak power of 4,500 watts, and the rated capacity for the battery is 1,024 watts. I'll show this to you quick. That's all the information. You can pause the video, take a look at it. So really not bad at all for 450 bucks. If you look at them out there, the ones right now going for ones like these, going for almost double that. So take a look at this. What it'll do is I plugged my solar panels into it, and it was okay because you guys have seen my solar setup in previous videos. I got the 400 watt panels. And it's been cloudy. It's been raining the last few days. So when I got it, I plugged it all in, and I might have got 100 watts into it. Just cloudy days, old panels. They're probably working at 70, 80% capacity now anyway. I've had them for a few years, most of them. So I did go out and buy some new panels. So I'll show you those here in a minute. But so you get the Opus 1. You get a DC cable that'll plug into your car to charge this thing. Maybe even run some things out of it. I'm not sure. I haven't tried it. But then you have this plug here. That's called an Anderson plug. And that plugs into, I don't know if we can see it, the side over here. That open. So you got the Anderson plug, a plug where you can quick charge this thing into from your house or whatever, and then a fuse plug for the fuse. So plug this in your car to charge it up. Anderson plug. You got your power cable that you can charge it from your wall or whatever to boost it up. And then you got another Anderson plug, and this one goes to your solar panels. And that's all it comes with. That's all you need. That's all it is. These you can put and buy 2 extra batteries for these. I may get those eventually, but you can add 2 batteries to these, and I think the total would be like 7,500 kilowatts or something like that. So not a bad deal. If you want to upgrade later, you can. So check out Opus. If you look at one of my last videos, I also have their Opus Exodus 600, which you can't charge straight from the panels. But what I can do is I can plug the 600 into this. Not that it'll give me any more, but I can charge other stuff with the Opus 600 while I'm charging things with this and the 600. So you can have a whole little nice system here. So what I'll do quick is show you the new panels that I got. So like I said, I was testing these out, and I was only getting like 100 watts max. Um, Cloudy days, like I said, stuff like that. I thought I should be getting a little bit more, and I wanted more anyway. So I did something that I've never done before, and I went on Facebook Marketplace and looked around for some solar panels, and I picked up these. Those are two 345 watt solar panels. So one of those is almost as much as I had with my other 4 panels. So now I got 2 of those. And so yesterday, during I plugged them in during the rainstorm. Um, but I was getting about usually between 250 and 300 watts into the Mega 1. So not too bad, you know. I mean, the 2 panels, 345 watts, I was getting half on a cloudy day, on a rainy day, stormy day, plus kind of the way that they're angled. I need to build a stand for them here in the yard somewhere, but close enough where I can still plug them in. So that's the plan. Check out the Opus Mega 1. I don't get paid for it. I emailed them and I asked them, but I don't have very many followers, so I'm sure they didn't want some small ass channel, uh, giving free shit or whatever. So, but from all the reviews that I've seen so far, most of the Opus products, people are pretty happy with it. You can do some research, check the stuff out. Again, this sale I think goes until October 1st, so you have a little bit of time. Check out some Opus stuff. I just wanted to share my new power setup. Again, I'm not getting paid for anything. I'm not affiliated with Opus. I tried, but we'll see what happens. Maybe one day. So yeah, check out if you're starting a solar setup, things like that. World's crazy. Who knows what's going to happen? Not only the things that are happening worldwide, but the sun is doing some crazy stuff right now. I think we're supposed to get some CMEs today. It's only going to take one big CME from the sun to knock everything out. So, including this stuff, if you don't have it's somewhat protected or protected totally, there's stuff out there like EMP shield and things like that. But you can do some research on that stuff. So, I mean, a big CME probably knock out your panels anyway, but uh, not bad to have it, whatever, in case just the power goes out. Storms or whatever. I am here in Southeast Virginia. These storms right now are what we're getting from the storm that came up from the Gulf of Mexico, or I'm sorry, not from the Gulf, but the one that hit like Wilmington, North Carolina. It's a pretty big storm, and we're getting all that stuff. Yeah, that's all I got for today. Opus Mega 1, new panels. That's kind of my setup. So I appreciate y'all. Please hit the subscribe, hit the like, share this for me. I've been sitting at, excuse me, 30-ish subscribers pretty much for a month now. So help me out. I'd appreciate it. Share with your friends. It's mostly gardening, I suppose. But as the gardening season comes to an end here in a month or two, I'll be going to some other stuff, other things, more of the preparedness, survival type stuff. But right now it's just garden stuff mostly, solar stuff. I am storing food and things like that, so maybe I'll get into that too as the weather cools off. So please hit the subscribe, thumbs up, likes, shares, wherever. I got this on Patreon for free, and Rumble as well. So you can follow me over in those places too. But mainly just here on YouTube. But I appreciate y'all. Hope everybody is safe, healthy, and happy. Make a great rest of your week. And much love to everybody. Peace out.